Hello YouTube, I thought I would show you guys a little bit about Williston train station. I'm catching the train going home. I live in Fargo, North Dakota. It's about 6 hours from here. So I'm at the station right now. The train should have been here by now though, but they sent a text message. It's time delay, so they're gonna be late about 30 minutes. So yeah, we're here. Train station is right downtown Williston. That's an overview. You guys can see. This car, I guess they let them park here, and then when they come back, they get the vehicles. That's how that works. The Williston guys, the oil field, where there's a lot of money to be made out here, depending what you're choosing to do. As you guys already know, if you're a truck driver, you come out here, you're gonna be making bank. Over here, there's a little bar, Heartbreaker. I don't know if this place still in use or not, but I only been here one time last year. It's a pretty good bar. The music and all is good, so if ever you guys come to town, you want somewhere to come enjoy, you can go to Heartbreaker. And like I said, I don't know if it's still in use right now. It still functions. So alright guys, gonna end the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Check it back.